Hey guys, we're doing the team random now for the mixed break for tonight. It's 8:20, 18 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. Participants. We're going 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yoink. Copy that. Teams now. To match it up, we're going 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and teams are yoink. Random is complete. The teams are Nathan Comba Nets, Johnny Deaton Suns, Murray Russell Mavericks, Thomas Parlak Rockets, Ben Maloney Blazers, Lewis Neal Cavs, Raymond Dyer Magic, Danny Kozeski Pacers, Simon Humphries Clippers, Nick Powell Jazz, Keona Clyden Grizz, Johnny Deaton Sixers, Tarek with the Knicks, Robert Beswick with the Hawks, Albie Chin Warriors, Damian Smith Celtics, Nick Watson Spurs, Simon Humphries Heat, Danny with the Nuggets, Widmark Thunder, Simon Humphries Bucks, Jules with the Pelicans, Stephen Hughes with the Lakers, Beswick with the Wolves, Benjamin Wang Pistons, Ian Nan Wizards, Murray Russell Kings, Graham Taylor Raptors, Stephen Hughes Hornets, and Nick Powell with the Bulls. Copy that. Yoink.